The Bohemian Hunting Club's Bohemian Ballistics presents the Snubby Standard. Brought to you in part by Smoky Oak. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. And for today's matchup, we have the Remington UMC versus the Hornady LEVERevolution in 357 Magnum.
Alright, here we go. Going to do a deep penetration contest between the 357 between the Hornady LEVERevolution and the Remington UMC semi-jacketed soft point and the LEVERevolution round. 140 grain versus 125 grain. I'll have the feet per second in energy on both. We will be shooting out of a Taurus snubby at roughly home defense range, shooting into 2x6s and seeing which one will drill deeper. Let's get drilling. Got the Remington first, then the Hornady LEVERevolution. Alright, now for the Hornady LEVERevolution. There we go. There we go. Got two solid shots. Boom, boom. Let's see how far they went in. This is the UMC. That's the LEVERevolution. See what we got. In and out on the first board. Into the second. Opening up nicely between the two. Damage going on. And well, well, well. Looky there. We have the Hornady and the Remington. So that would make that the Remington for the win. Definitely for the win. We got the Remington. Hornady stopped in the third. Remington, UMC, is into the fourth. Out the fourth. That's amazing. I mean, I did that deep penetration just earlier, and it stopped, you know, pretty much in the third one. But we are in and out on the fourth. Into the fifth board. That's right there. Buried. I mean, that is by a landslide. UMC by a landslide, definitely. That is outstanding. It drilled into the fifth. 2, 3, 4. The fifth 2x6. So that's roughly, I mean, you could say safely 3.5 inches of wood, solid. Definitely 3.5. Well, the distance 4 inches of wood is what it dug into. And the LEVERevolution went for 3, which is still good. Don't get me wrong, that is still good. But here we go. Bohemian Hunting Club. Sweating my ass off, baking in the sun, out on the farm, doing it to it.